Welcome to the Yum Yum Yogi. Today we will be making an Indian vegetable dish with broccoli and potatoes. If you want to get your daily intake of vegetables, then this is a quick, no fuss and absolutely delicious way to do it. And while cooking, let's remember, sitting on the seat of my elevated reality, I become a hero actor who rises above adversity. And for this, let's start with about half a pound of potatoes. I'm using a russet potato here, and you dice it pretty fine, like half an inch, like you're seeing on the screen. And then you also chop the broccoli in chunks, just a tiny bit bigger than the potatoes, not too big, like you're seeing on the screen. And then let's do a red bell pepper. We need about 1/4 of a pound of red bell pepper. Dice it the same size as the potatoes. And these are all the vegetables we need for the subzi. And now let's take a saute pan on medium-high heat. Add some oil and add some cumin and mustard seeds and wait till they pop. Add some hing or asafoetida. And to this mixture, now add the potatoes. And coat the potatoes with the oil mixture. And put the lid on and let it cook for about 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, the potatoes will look like that. And now to this, let's add the broccoli. And now let's add the other spices, about a teaspoon of ginger, some turmeric, some coriander powder, some cumin powder, and of course everything tastes good with chili powder. And some salt to taste. Mix it, all the spices together with all of the vegetables. Add some salt and mix thoroughly. And put the lid on and let it cook for another 5 minutes this time. After 5 minutes, add the red bell pepper mix. And now we are going to add chickpea flour or besan. You will get this in the Indian store. You have to sprinkle the chickpea flour like you're seeing on the screen over all of the vegetables. Don't clump it, don't just dump it in. Sprinkle it like you're seeing on the screen. And now, after you add the chickpea flour, at the end you add a tiny bit of garam masala powder. And even that you sprinkle it on. And this time, without mixing, we put the lid on and let it cook. So that's it. Don't mix it. Put the lid on and let it cook for about 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, your vegetable dish is done. And now mix all of the vegetables with the chickpea flour and the garam masala. An optional thing is you can add coriander, fresh coriander. It really gives it a good flavor, but that's optional, of course, and your vegetable dish is done. Switch off the heat. Take this thing off the heat now. And before we taste it, let's remember. Sitting on the seat of my elevated reality, I become a hero actor who rises above adversity. So let's taste this. It's really good. I love the smell of this curry. It smells so wonderful in here. You know, if you have to eat vegetables, this is the best way to eat them. That broccoli is so nice. It's not too well cooked, it's crunchy and really tasty.